In this project, we will simulate the respiration particles and COVID-19 virus, and we propose consideration for wearing shields.
By clicking on the subscribe button, you will be informed about the newest CFD training videos by Mr. CFD. Or if you are watching the training video, click on the Mr. CFD logo and subscribe.
After double-clicking on the boundary conditions button in the appeared part, if you click on mouth boundary, you can see that the type of this boundary is defined as velocity. By clicking on edit button, you can adjust the settings related to this boundary. And finally, we double-click on the Run Calculations button, and in the middle section of the Fluent software under the Parameters section, we enter the values of number of time step size, and maximum iteration per time step. And then we click on Calculate button so that the software will start the simulation. Now, in order to extract 2D contours, we first have to define a plane. To do that, we right-click on Surfaces, go over New, and then select Easy Surfaces. After creating the plane, we expand Graphics, go over Contours, right-click on it, and then select New. Under the Contours of section, you can select your desired variable, which in this slide you can see we have selected the temperature. After that, under the Surfaces section, we select X coordinate, which is the plane we had previously generated, and then we click on Save or Display button. Now in this slide you can clearly see the temperature of the particles that got out from the patient's mouth. And finally in this slide you can see the particle tracks coming outside the mouth of the patient. Finally, a summary of different settings and setup that we have used in our project is presented to you in the slide.
Obtain the mesh file and also the full training movie by purchasing this product.
To benefit from Mr. CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, contact our experts via info@mrcfd.com.